Hi guys, just going through the box of goodies my friend Mike Flight sent me several years back now. Mike has since passed, so in his memory I suppose, I'm looking at some of this stuff he sent me. A 4-pack nickel metal hydride battery. Clearly has seen better days. Got corrosion in there. I don't expect it to be any use. Let's just move in a bit. There we are. Yeah. Corrosion in there. Corrosion there. I don't think there's actually anything going through there. They don't look very healthy. But I thought I might just cut them open and measure them individually. I really don't think there'll be anything salvageable here. They are high spec, 2,400 milliamp hour. So if there was any way of getting anything out of them, it would be nice. But I think one ought to be honest here and say there really isn't much chance. Right, so there we are. My meter. So I stick that on there. How about if I move the camera a bit? Okay, that's a bit better. So let's try them one at a time. Nothing. 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 Oh, not surprising really, but question is, do we just give it a try, see if we can put any voltage in there? I mean, it doesn't look like anything's going to happen, does it? Apart from it catch fire. Vapex Tech rechargeable battery, 2,400 milliamp hour, plus or minus 5%. Recharge up to 1,000 times, it says there. Cycle condition conforms to IEC 61591-2. Okay. Feels like they're glued together as well, because they're not just pulling apart easily. Nah. I might just solder an ordinary JST connector on there, if we can, because that's no use to anybody, that one. And just see if we can get anything into it. Sometimes nickel metal hydride batteries come back, but I wouldn't expect these to. I think we're a bit too far gone. We'd probably set fire to them, if anything. Good partner for digital camera. Can we see that? Good partner for digital camera, no memory effect. Put a normal JST connector on there so I can use my charger. Just manage your expectations before we start. This is as dead as it can be. I don't expect it to actually take charge. We'll give it a go anyway, but I think we've got no chance. We're on nickel metal hydride setting. Got it down at 200 milliamps. That's as low as my charger can go. And that's telling us we've got a full short. No surprise, but yeah, that's not very happy with that idea. One thing that did confuse me looking at it, you would expect the black ends to be negative. But no, it's quite definitely that's the positive end and the orange end is the negative end. So I haven't got it round the wrong way, even though at first glance that is what I would have thought. So yeah, I think that's going into the recycling. It's of no use to anybody. Off to recycling with that lot. I'll take my connector back off again because that's worth keeping. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.